I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure Rpcs3 is the latest build and your OS audio drivers are current, because outdated stacks cause latency and stutter. Once done, open Rpcs3 and select an audio backend that matches your system, Wasapi on Windows, ALSA on Linux. Make sure to set the game's FPS limit and global audio buffer size to conservative defaults to baseline performance. This prevents the emulator from overloading the audio thread immediately and gives you stable measurements to refine next. Next, you tune audio and CPU interaction. Raise the audio buffer gradually, try 64, 128, then 256 samples, because larger buffers reduce underruns but add latency. Simultaneously, configure Rpcs3 thread scheduler or set CPU core affinity to isolate the emulator threads and avoid OS interrupts. Once stable, test different SBU decoders and toggle JIT or async memory mapped I/O. Some games prefer interpreter paths to stop micro stutters. To finish, you eliminate remaining resource conflicts. Profile CPU and GPU usage and lower graphical settings, or enable a stable frame limit to prevent audio thread starvation. If problems persist, switch audio backends or use an external low-latency driver because some backends handle interrupts better. Make sure to test on a clean Rpcs3 profile to rule out config corruption. If stutter remains, capture the emulator logs and audio samples so you can compare changes. This diagnostic step guides the final targeted fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.